सिद्धार्थ गोवान आयोजित केल्ल्या समर कॅम्पाक विद्यार्थ्यांकडच्यान बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा। ह्या कॅम्पान वांटो घेवपी तरणाट्यांक सिद्धार्थ गोवाच्या स्विमिंग पुलांत प्रशिक्षित कोच पेवपाचें प्रशिक्षण दितात। सकाळी आनी सांजे अशे 2 पंगडांनी ही प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळ चलता।
सिद्धार्थ गोवान घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या समर कॅम्पाक बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो। भुरग्यांक पेवपाक शिकपा खातीर दर वर्सा सिद्धार्थ गोवा हो कॅम्प घडोवन हाडटा।
आमी एक्चुअली आतां समर कॅम्प म्हणून एक्चुअली एक्वा फेस्ट हँडल करता आमी। जवळ जवळ आमी एक 8 वर्सां जाली हँडल करता हो आनी हेतून आमकां भरपूर रिस्पॉन्स आहा। स्टुडंट जवळ जवळ आमकां कमीत कमी सुबेज आतां कितले 25, 26 अरावंड 30% येयल्ले आसा। सो हेज्या बद्दल आमी जे एफर्ट घालता आमी भुरग्यांक शिकोवप, आमी खूब एफर्ट घालून तांकां भरपूर बऱ्या भशेन ट्रेन करता आनी भुरगीं ट्रेन जाता आनी तेंच्या पेरंट्सांक पासून तेंचो खूब हे आहा, तो रिस्पॉन्स तेंचे वरसून पण मेळटा।
They have advanced also. They have one group advanced and all are basic swimming. So mostly coming all children. Then for me school also after holiday start then start summer camp.
Prudent media खातीर ओमकार फळारी।
कोलकात्यातल्या युनायटेड स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान चर्चिल ब्रदर्साक 2-0 गोलांनी हरोवन फुडल्या वर्साच्या आय लीगांत आपलो जागो जवळ निश्चित केला। पूण चर्चिलाचेर आय लीगांतल्यान भायर पडपाचें संकट आयलां। चर्चिलाची निमणी मॅच साळगांवकार स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाकडेन 28 तारखेर जातली। दुसरे वटेन मोहमेडन स्पोर्टिंगाक जर मुंबय एफसीन मारले जाल्यार मोहमेडन सर्तींतल्यान भायर पडटले आनी चर्चिल फुडली मॅच हरून लेगीत सर्तीन उरतले।
Abdul Hamid Shabana now with the ball, easy looking pass. Tanjam Sharan Singh always ready to get that one well dribbled. He's got a good control over his feet and dribbling abilities now all around the United, the Churchill brothers, and a nice looking centering header and the
Balwant appeal for handball. Referee gives advantage. Abdul Hamid Shabana. There it is, Eric Brown, and yes, he slid into him without going for the ball. I think it was reckless. 30th minute, Abdul Hamid Shabana of Churchill Brothers has gone off in the 37th minute. Very good at reading the game. There's no player there. They've all playing in the United half. And on the break, they can be very dangerous, United, as they are here. And now this is a clear run at goal. This can be 2-0. And yes, it is. It is 2-0. And the man of the moment, Eric Brown.
Doing so badly today. And it was quite evident after the exit of Shabana. Here's once again the goal mouth scramble happening, the scrimmage. But the ball will be cleared away by Bello Razak, who's an expert at that one. Here comes Tanjam. Good one and a good save. Back can easily be seen the purples all around. They sack back well. Denzel Franco centering it out, but then the header very difficult. Has to go for a
11वी राष्ट्रीय युवा एथलेटिक्स सर्त आयतारा सावन बांबोळे एथलेटिक्स स्टेडियमार सुरू जातली। देशभरातल्या 500 वयर उदेंते चले आनी चलयो ह्या एथलेटिक्स सर्तीन वांटो घेतली। सर्तीन बरी कामगिरी करता त्या भुरग्याक आंतरराष्ट्रीय सर्ती खातीर भारताच्या पंगडांत संद मेळटली। गोंय एथलेटिक संघटना पयलेच खेप राष्ट्रीय पावंड्यावेली ही महत्वाची सर्त घडोवन हाडटा।
Athletic Association is proud to announce that we have been given the chance of holding 11th National Youth Athletic Championship starting from 20th and winding up on 22nd of this month at GMC Athletic Stadium, Bambolim, Goa. This is the first time that an event of national importance is being conducted by the Goa Athletic Association. Some sincere efforts have been made in recent times, which resulting in the state's athletes to deliver noteworthy performances in the 3rd Lusophonian Games organized here earlier this year. Hence, the Goa Athletic Association is confident that some of its upcoming athletes will make the host proud by winning a couple of medals in the Youth Nationals.
See, around 600 athletes are participating in confirmed participation, and this is a record. I think so. Never so many participants were there for youth nationals. Go on around 28. We have included more 4.
Our team is of 28.
We are expecting at least 2 medals. And international athlete Shiny Wilson is coming for closing function.
इतल्यानी खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.